Welcome to Royal Enfield Classic 500. Do it yourself for rear wheel removal and installation. Ensure the vehicle is on its center stand on level ground. Before removal of axle spindle, check the chain adjuster mark from the swing arm on both sides. Locate Tommy bar in the rear wheel spindle on LH side to hold the spindle while loosening the rear axle nut. Loosen and remove the rear axle nut using 24 mm spanner. Gently tap the axle from the RH side. Remove the axle from the LH side. Dislocate the grommets holding the caliper hose on bracket. Disconnect the ABS connection using 4 mm Allen key. Remove the rear brake caliper assembly from the bracket. Remove the sprocket spacer from the LH side. Slide out rear wheel from the swing arm. Ensure rear brake caliper is not disturbed and place cardboard between the brake pads. Remove the cardboard that is placed between the brake pads. Ensure the cush rubbers are correctly located in the slots in the rear wheel hub. Insert the wheel assembly between the swing arm and locate the sprocket lugs correctly on the cush rubbers. Ensure the sprocket spacer of LH side is located on the sprocket and locate the caliper bracket slot on the lug in the swing arm such that the brake disc is between the brake pads. Ensure the axle mounting hole in the swing arm and wheel hubs are aligned. Insert the wheel axle from the left side of the swing arm. Do not force the spindle through as it will cause damage to the threaded end. Ensure correct chain tension and rear wheel alignment with front wheel by adjusting the adjusters on both left and right side of swing arm. Assemble axle wheel nut on right side and tighten it using 24 mm spanner. Connect the ABS connection using 4 mm Allen key. Fix the brake hose pipe in swing arm clips. Check rear brake for effectiveness and correct functioning before using the motorcycle. That's it. You have done the rear wheel removal and installation.